at Eliminator showed me something really cool. This is the Eliminator Turbo Fog 1000. Now what you tell me is it's got a 2-minute warm-up time initially.
Yes.
And then it'll go whenever on demand.
So as soon as you plug it in, right out of the box, 2-minute warm-up time. After that, it's continuously ready to fog. It comes with the wired remote and the wireless remote,
right,
which it has a range of up to 50 feet.
It's an RC, so that's, yeah.
And so, I mean, basically, you know, you can hit it anytime.
And hold it.
Yeah, and hold it for
until the juice has gone out of the tank.
Yes, we've only been able to test it for half an hour because your thumb starts hurting after that, pretty much. And it fills up a school gymnasium very quickly.
Wow,
very quickly.
That's pretty cool. So that's the Eliminator and Turbo Fog,
and it has a
1000.
And it has a ready heating, and you could tell how much fluid's in the tank with the illuminated tank. So right there it's heating while you're fogging. It's still heating.
That is so weird, but it's still fogging.
And it's still fogging, and you let go, and then it's continuously ready, no matter what you're doing. Ready. It's all electronic circuitry inside. It's completely new technology.
It's almost like hot water on demand in a house. It's like fog on demand.
Exactly.
So it's not a central tank. It's just always blowing it out. So it's brand new from Eliminator. Turbo Fog 1000.